Hey lovies, it's Lisa, and today I am super excited to share this recipe with you. It's a traditional Balinese recipe. I ordered it every single time when I had dinner at Bumbu Bali in Bali. It is a steamed mushroom package. It's steamed in banana leaf with loads of spices. It's super delicious. It does require a trip to your local Asian shop, but it's really worth it because you can batch make the paste and freeze it and use it in other dishes as well. For the paste we need ginger, red chili peppers, galangal, turmeric, some shallots or onions, lemongrass, these are salam leaves, garlic, candle nuts, some ground coriander, some crushed black pepper and salt, and I will use a little bit of soy sauce and some water. I will also need about 300 to 400 grams of mushrooms. This is a mix of shiitake and chestnut mushrooms. I have some leftover brown rice, which is optional, and I will also use some miso paste for that umami flavor. You will absolutely need some bamboo skewers and bamboo leaves, which you can find in the freezer section at your Asian shop. I will start with my vegetable spice paste, and I'm going to do it in a very non-traditional way. I'm going to pre-chop the vegetables and the spices, and I'm going to blend them with my stick blender. So let's get started with the galangal. This is quite a tough root. I'm going to remove the ugly bits and then chop it as fine as I can. These are going in my container. Then quite a chunk of ginger. This is organic ginger. I rinsed it really well. I'm going to chop this as well. Fresh turmeric. And you have to beware for this stuff because it does stain your fingers a lot. Then about 3 small onions or shallots going in. Then garlic. I will post the exact measurements below. Then our chili peppers. I'm leaving the seeds in. If you want it a little bit milder, you can take them out. Now for the lemongrass, remove the outer leaves. I will use about 3 stalks like that. Remove the bottoms. And then finely slice. So these are my salam leaves. I want to remove this tough thing here. Just tear it out and then roll it up like that and slice. We are adding coriander seeds, ground, crushed black pepper, some salt, and I will also add some soy sauce. And traditionally you should be using fermented shrimp paste, which doesn't sound really vegetarian to me, so I'm substituting it with soy sauce. And then I add about 100 ml of water. All right, let's do this. Now I have this smooth paste. I want to sweat it off in a small pan. And for that I'm going to heat up my pan with a little bit of vegetable oil. I like to use red palm oil, whatever you have. Stay with this and stir occasionally. You don't want this to stick to your pan. The smell of this takes me straight back to Bali. It is so fragrant, so delicious. Turn up the heat and let it cool for a little bit, and then you can work with this paste. I'm going to use a few tablespoons for the mushrooms today, and then I'm going to freeze the rest of it in small ice cube portions. And it is a great taste maker for soups and stir fries. You can use it on burgers and in wraps. It is an awesome thing to have at hand in your kitchen. While my paste is cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and chop my mushrooms. I will remove the stalks and I will dice them and put them in a large bowl. I'm going to add some leftover brown rice to my mushrooms. In the restaurant they are selling it by themselves, just the mushrooms, because it's a part of a large rice table. I think it's really convenient to add the rice to your mushrooms, so you can bring your packages in your lunchbox or have it as a snack as is. So I'm going to add a cup or two of brown rice, but feel free to leave this out. I'm going to mix about 2 heaping tablespoons of this paste in a bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of miso paste, and I know you're not just supposed to cook miso paste, but this is the closest thing that I can think of that resembles fermented shrimp paste. So just a little bit going in, mix it well. We are going to add this paste to our mushrooms, and I will also add a little bit of vegetable oil, a tablespoon, and mix it well. My parcels are ready, and I'm going to steam them in a little steaming basket. You can also grill them or take them to a barbecue. I can say now I totally nailed it, and this is extremely delicious, and I can't wait to eat all of them and maybe share some of them with my family if they're lucky. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.